What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove user account restrictions on the Facebook Messenger app. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up the Messenger application on your mobile device. Tap on the menu icon on the top left of your screen to access your account settings. From here, navigate to Privacy and Safety, and under Who can reach you, tap on Restricted Accounts. You will see a list of users who are restricted from interacting with you without having to block them. In addition, the user will not see when you've read their messages or active status. To remove account restrictions, select the user and tap Unrestrict. You can restrict the user again when accessing their profile. Under Privacy and Support, tap Restrict. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.